Like new turnkey furnished home available now. Welcome home to Pine Island Cove, an exclusive 55+ community where you'll enjoy a host of amenities including a heated pool, spa, a convenient boat ramp, and storage facilities, all for a remarkably low monthly fee of $150. For those who relish an active lifestyle on the water, this location is a dream come true. Boating and fishing enthusiasts will find this place particularly appealing due to its exceptional location. This home has been impeccably remodeled top to bottom post-Ian. With 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, an open floor plan, and a comfortable screened lanai, this one-owner home is waiting to become your new forever home. With luxury vinyl plank flooring, stone countertops, and brand new stainless steel appliances, this home is sure to please the most discriminating buyer. Call today to schedule your appointment to tour this home before it's too late.